It's a Gen 3 marine charger. So it's got 3 banks and 10 amps per bank. I don't know why it's a marine charger, but maybe it's waterproof. I don't know. There's no power coming. Like, there's no light coming on when you plug it in. There's no power coming through the only bank that has still got a functioning set of... Here, I checked the fuse. Everything was good. I'm just going to see if I have the proper size triangle. Maybe there. So it is a, I don't know, triangle 2.3, I guess 2.3 millimeter maybe. That's a broken one. Yes, it is not working. That's good. I guess I could take this out. Oh. Well, that's something. I guess that's why it's marine. Well, all right. I guess we won't be doing anything with that. Oh man. Well, I wonder what that goes for as scrap value. Maybe I'll put it in the freezer. I'll cut the wires off, put it in the freezer, and then smash it with the sledgehammer or something. Because, you know, it'd be nice to see what's in here. And I obviously can't repair anything. I thought maybe I could fix something, maybe an internal fuse or something, but there's nothing. Like, there's no power going into it. So there's obviously something inside this. Anyways, that's that's what's in a NOCO Genius Gen 3 bank 30 amp. I guess I could have just looked that up on Google and found out ahead of time, but you know, how would that be any better than checking for myself? Alright, so I was told, hi Banks, I was told that if the battery is too dead, that this will not light up. So I went and got a battery that I know is not too dead, and I'll give it a try. Now this thing doesn't have the same connections, but okay, so we got these, and getting a good connection there, got a good connection there, and still nothing. All right, that settles it then. All right, here we go. Well, it's not as easy as I was expecting it to be, but it's coming apart. Oh wow. Oh, it's full of sand. That's crazy. Oh. Well, guess I'll just have to keep hitting it. Eventually it's gotta come out, right? Yeah, it's just kind of like really nice beach sand or something. I don't know. I wasn't expecting this. I don't know what I was expecting though. No. Yeah, isn't that weird? Well, there's some copper in there. really stinks too. Like it's well, it's not the stand that stinks. Oh, it's this, like, smells kind of like melted plastic or something. But yeah, there's definitely no fixing these things, I guess. Okay. Oh. Well, I'll get it apart and I'll come back and see what we got. Okay, so we got this out of here. I can't really tell in here what happened, but on here, this circuit board is obviously faulty. Something caught that on fire. There didn't seem to be any moisture whatsoever in it, so I don't know what might have happened, but really, not much to these. I don't see a ton of value here. There's some transformers I'm just gonna sell as transformers probably, because I don't feel like peeling all that tape off for very thin copper. But that explains what the weight is though for this thing. It was very heavy, and that's because it's sand and resin. That cap came flying out, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what would have caused this to happen, but either way, it's doesn't seem like much for 400 bucks. I guess you're paying for the technology though. Yeah, so that's all I got for that. Not much, but at least now you know, if you ever come across one, that's what's in it. You can judge for yourself if you want to. I'm thinking it might be able to go as a ballast or something like that, just because it seems to have about the same consistency. But you know, if you want to smash it apart with a hammer, I do suggest putting it in the freezer though, because even going in the freezer, it was having a hard time. Probably a lot harder if it's warm. But anyhow, thanks everybody, and this is my first video that I will have fully edited on the computer out of GoPro footage. So let me know. I mean, it's not like it's amazing or anything, but I am learning, and it's pretty neat. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. So I'm looking forward to learning more. But as for right now, this is all we're getting. I don't even know if I'll have figured out how to put text on the screen yet, but I guess you'll know by the time you get here. Bye. Thanks.